Vending machines are a new form of retailing. They are 24-hour micro supermarkets. Vending machines came into use in 1980s and have become very common in our daily life. They can be easily placed at many places, such as streets, campuses, scenic spots, subway stations, shopping malls, and even public toilets, allowing consumers to buy what they need conveniently. In our experiment, a company that operates vending machines in Zhejiang province has encountered bottlenecks in improving their operating efficiency. Their operations personnel have summarized the following problems. First, vending machines are placed in different phases. The data storage format, fields, and data types of vending machines placed earlier are different from those placed later. What's more, vending machines placed earlier support only cash. The types of data collected make O&M analysis impossible. Second, data of old vending machines is stored locally and cannot be reported in real time. Due to the lack of dynamic product data, the company cannot develop a mechanism to analyze and predict the sales volume of products. Third, the company cannot select the nearest supplies for their vending machines. The distribution costs remain high. To realize the rapid transformation of the company, we analyze the preceding problems and clarify their service requirements. First, data formats are not unified, which is a concern for data governance. We unify the data formats of different vending machines and replace old machines with new ones that can report transaction data in real time. Second, we predict sales data based on the data monitored, collected, and reported in real time. Then, we reduce costs by optimizing the placement of vending machines. Now, we use the converged AIoT technologies to implement the optimization solution. In our experiment, we simplify the actual scenarios. We would use the Burpee development board to simulate the vending machine for data reporting and develop a unified data format based on the service logic. Then, we report the data to the Hov Cloud IoT platform for multiple Hov Cloud services to use and store. The Hov Cloud Model Arts development platform will predict the sales and optimize the placement of vending machines using its AI capabilities. The IoT vending machine solution is developed based on the combination of communications and applications. In addition to ensuring stable communications, the solution provides customers with wireless monitoring applications and more value-added service functions, helping customers implement visualized monitoring on vending machines and achieve more profits through O2O.